My name is Urmila Nivangune and today's topic is inheritance. Inheritance is very important feature of Java, or we can say it is very important feature of object oriented programming. The idea behind inheritance is reusability. By using inheritance, we can use the code written existing, which is written existingly. Then we will see what is inheritance. Inheritance is nothing but deriving a new class by using existing class in such a way that the new class, which is derived class, can access all the members of its parent class or existing class, as well as it can access all the members of its own, or we can create members for the new derived class. All the methods of parent class are available as it is for the child class. Hence we can by using a reference of child class, we can access all the data or methods of his parent class. There are total 5 types of inheritance in Java, but hybrid and multiple inheritance are not supported in Java because for multiple inheritance, we can use the concept of interface. Multiple inheritance cannot be used or supported in Java by using classes, and as hybrid is a combination of all the inheritance, also it contains multiple inheritance, hence hybrid also not supported. So single inheritance, multi-level inheritance and hierarchical inheritance are three important types of inheritance we will see one by one. First of all, single inheritance. When we create one class from another class, then it is called as single inheritance. In this case, there are two classes present. One is parent class and second one is child class. Child class can access all the members of his parent class. And for single inheritance, for creating single inheritance, we use extend keyword. Then second one is multi-level. We can uh, create hierarchy, not hierarchy, we can create chain of inheritance, then it is called as multi-level inheritance. That means if there is one class and we create second class from that existing class, and again we creating another new class and extending that child class, then there is a chain of classes. This is called as multi-level inheritance. Then third one is hierarchical inheritance. If we are deriving uh, more one or more classes from a single class, then it is called as hierarchical inheritance. We will see examples of inheritance. Suppose for first we will see for single inheritance. Then real time example for single inheritance is animal. Animal is a parent class and dog is a child class. Properties of animal class are present in dog class, as well as dog class have its own features. Then multi-level, again there is animal class. Then second class is dog class. Dog class inherits the properties of animal class, and again there is a third class, that is baby dog, and that baby dog class inherits all the properties of dog class as well as animal class. Then that's it. for hierarchical inheritance, we are using single class, and we are deriving two or more classes. For example, there is animal class, then we can by using that animal class we can derive number of classes like dog, cow, and etc. So this is all about inheritance.